presenting this all-new Pushback Reclining leather collection. Experience your home in a brand new way with luxurious and comfortable pieces that will be the highlight of any living room. Crafted of durable, high-grade leather that is both soft and supple, this collection provides both comfort and elegance with its gorgeous nailhead trims. The rich and unique two-toned burgundy leather has a touch of sheen that shows off the high quality and the beauty of this collection. This collection is the next generation of reclining furniture that smoothly adjusts to any sitting position without the tug of a handle. Don't limit yourself to just one seating position, simply push back and relax. This three-piece collection includes a pushback reclining sofa, love seat and armchair. The material is top grain Italian leather on all seating surfaces with leather match. The colour is a gorgeous two-tone burgundy. This collection features solid hardwood frames for a sturdy long life. Vacuum on a weekly basis to avoid dust particles from settling into leather grains. Wipe leather with a soft cloth and warm water. Do not use chemicals. Avoid placing your furniture in direct sunlight. All materials fade over time when placed in direct sunlight and/or heating sources.